Welcome to YS Online. I am Dice Sensei, and if you're a beginner looking to learn Japanese and pass the JLPT exam, the JFT A2 exam, and all the others, this channel is for you. Last lesson, we continued learning the other functions of the TET form, mainly how to connect sentences with verbs and nouns. Natutunan natin paano mag-describe ng bagay, tao, lugar, at iba pa sa nakaraan. Check out the links on the upper right hand side or below for a refresher on these. This lesson, we are going to use the TET form for adjectives to connect sentences using adjectives. We're going to conjugate the E and the NA adjectives into the TET form and make some sample sentences together. Make sure to pay attention, take notes, and feel free to pause. Or rewind a little bit if you need some clarifications because I have an activity for you at the end. So, ready na ba kayo matuto ng Japanese in Tagalog? Let's go! Alright, so for our first part, how do we use the TET form to connect sentences using adjectives? Dati gumamit lang tayo ng isang adjective para i-describe ang mga ito. Gaya ng, let's say, the room is clean, the mountain is high, she is beautiful, etc. Paano naman kung gagamit tayo ng higit sa isang adjective para mag-describe ng mga bagay-bagay? So, how do we join them together in one sentence? First, unahin natin ang mga E-adjectives natin. So, for E-adjectives, para gawin siyang TET form, simply remove E and replace it with kute. Halimbawa, ng E-adjective is oki. Oki, di ba? So, malaki in Tagalog. Tatanggalin natin ang E sa word na ito, then papalitan natin ng kute. Right? So we have okikute. Okikute. Right? Now, once we have okikute, pwede na ito i-connect sa susunod na adjective. So, ibig sabihin nito ay big and something. So, just like our rule for using the TET form to connect sentences using verbs, the tense of the sentence is determined by the last adjective in the sentence. So yung tense na pinakahuling salita or adjective ay ang tense ng buong sentence. Let's take a look at another example of how to change the E adjective into the TET form. Okay, so we have chisai, right? Chisai. So, chisai is yung kabaliktaran ni oki. So, it's oki for big, and then chisai for small. Sundan lang natin yung ginawa nating steps kanina. So, what are we going to do? We're gonna remove E from chisai, then lagyan natin siya ng kute. So, we have chisakute. Chisakute. Ibig sabihin naman ito ay small and something. Okay, so alam na natin ngayon paano gawing TET form ang E-adjective, right? Ngayon naman, gagawa tayo ng sentence. So, kailangan natin ng bagay na i-describe. So, let's say a puppy. Yay! Anong masasabi natin sa puppy na ito? So, this puppy is cute. Or ano pa? Has long ears, I guess. So for our vocabulary list here, we have puppy is ko inu, cute is kawaii, long is nagai, and ears is mimi. Okay, so gawin na natin siya ng sentence. In Japanese, the puppy is cute is koinu wa kawaii desu. Now, has long ears is mimi ga nagai desu. So, Pagsamasamahin na natin sila in one sentence. So our sentence would go something like this. 子犬は可愛くて耳が長いです。子犬は可愛くて耳が長いです。So, sa 子犬は, dito natin pagsasamahin ang mga adjectives natin. Sundan lang natin ang pattern kanina. So, kawaii becomes kawaikute. Then, idudugtong natin sa isa pang adjective, nagai desu. Pero dito, meron tayong object, which is mimi. So, gagamit na tayo ng particle ga. Then, the adjective. So, our final complete sentence is 子犬は可愛くて耳が長いです。子犬は可愛くて耳が長いです。Pwede pa natin pahabain ang sentence natin. Basta gawin lang natin ang steps paano mag-connect ng two or more E adjectives. Alright, it's practice time. Are you guys ready? Give us your example sentences. So, titignan ko kung tama ang mga na-construct ninyong sentences. Write your answers in the comment section below. Alright, so now we are done with the E adjectives. Let's move on to the na adjectives. Paano naman natin maipagsama ang mga na adjectives sa iba pang mga adjectives? Gaya ng E adjectives, meron ding steps ang na adjectives para gawin siyang te form. For the na adjective, drop lang natin yung na and replace it with de. So kung naalala ninyo paano mag-connect ng two or more nouns, same lang sila sa na adjective. Magiging madali lang ito sa atin. So, example ng na adjective, shinsetsu na. First step, tatanggalin natin ang na, then papalitan natin ng de. So, we have shinsetsu de. Shinsetsu de. Meaning, kind and something something. Alright, let's give us another example. Genki na. Gaya ng ginawa natin, drop lang natin ulit ang na, then palitan natin siya ng de. So, in the end, we have genki de. Genki de. That means healthy and easy, right? Next naman, gagawa na tayo ng sentence gamit ang mga ito. So, for example, let's say, he is energetic and handsome. In Japanese, energetic is genki and handsome naman ay hansamu. Hansamu. So, magiging ganitong sentence natin. Kare wa genki de hansamu desu. Kare wa genki de handsome desu. Handsome desu. Another example. Let's say the cell phone is nice and convenient to use. In Japanese, cell phone is keitai. Keitai. And nice is suteki. Suteki. And convenient is benri. Benri. So, let's put it together in a sentence. That would be, Keitai wa suteki de benri desu. One more time. Mas mabilis naman. Keitai wa suteki de benri desu. So, kung gusto pa natin pahabain ito, pwede pa rin. The important point here is to change the first adjective, so you can even join one na adjective to another adjective. Ang tanong dito ay, pwede ba natin pagsamahin ang E adjectives and ang na adjectives? The answer to that is yes. Pwedeng-pwede. I-apply pa rin natin kung paano natin ginawang te form ang mga adjectives. So, halimbawa, gawin nating mahaba ang sentence natin dito. Let's say the room is clean, big, and quiet. In Japanese, room is heya. Clean is kirei. Big is oki. and quiet is shizuka. So this time, 3 adjectives naman ang gagamitin natin ngayon. So parami ng parami siya, no? Pagsamasamahin na natin ang mga ito. So in Japanese, that would be heya wa kirei de ookiku te soshite shizuka desu. Heya wa kirei de ookiku te soshite shizuka desu. So kung mapapansin ninyo, hindi na natin pinalitan ang last adjective natin. Ibig sabihin, wala nang idudugtong na iba pang adjective. Now, you guys are probably wondering at home, paano naman kung sentence natin is in the past tense? Same sa una nating inaral, papalitan lang natin ang last adjective into the past tense form. So, halimbawa, it was fine and hot yesterday. In Japanese, that would become Kino no tenki wa yokute atsukatta desu. Kino no tenki wa yokute atsukatta desu. In our previous lessons, we learned the past form of adjectives. If you'd like a refresher, just click on the link below. So, meron lang tayong tatandaan gaya na napag-aralan natin sa nakaraang lessons natin kapag gumagawa tayo ng ganitong sentences. Kung gagamit tayo ng mga adjective na may contradiction sa pagdi-describe ng subject, gagamitin natin ang particle ga as but. So this time we will learn how to use the particle ga as but or pero in a sentence. Halimbawa, the room is clean, quiet, but small. In Japanese, that would be heya wa kirei de shizuka desu ga semai desu. Heya wa kirei de shizuka desu ga semai desu. So, hopefully, na-gets na natin, no? Paano mag-connect ng sentences with adjectives. Sa ngayon, pwede na rin natin gamitin ito para sagutin ang interrogative words tulad ng dore, which is used when asking someone to specify one item out of a list of 3 or more. And dono, noun, which noun is used to modify a noun. For example, kapag gusto naman natin itanong, which umbrella is yours, sensei? We would say, Sensei no kasa wa dore desu ka? Sensei no kasa wa dore desu ka? So in Japanese, kasa is umbrella. Let's say the umbrella is color blue and short. So blue in Japanese is aoi and short is mijikai. So, kumpletuhin na natin ito, right? When we put these words together, we would say, Kasa wa aokute mijikai desu. Kasa wa aokute mijikai desu. Okay, so natapos din natin sa wakas. Para mas kabisado natin ang paggawa ng ganitong klaseng sentences, kailangan natin itong i-practice. So, now it's time for you to try to make your own sentences. In today's practice, you will tell us something about yourself by describing the following. Number 1, describe your room using 3 or more adjectives. Number 2, describe one member of your family using 3 adjectives. Number 3, describe your favorite Japanese food using 3 adjectives. Number 4, describe your favorite Japanese tourist location using 3 adjectives. And number 5, describe your favorite pet using 3 adjectives. Leave your answers in the comment section below. And that's it for us today. For YS Online, my name is Dice. Ja, mata ne. As always guys, thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who might be interested to learn more about the Japanese language. For our full YS Online members out there, we have quizzes and other review materials for you to go through para ma-absorb lahat ng natutunan ninyo sa mga lessons na ito. For our full YS Online members out there, we have quizzes and other review materials for you to go through para ma-absorb ninyo ang lahat na natututunan ninyo sa mga lessons natin dito. So, be sure to take them. If you're interested in becoming a full member for our online program, be sure to check us out at www.ysnlc.com. I'll see you guys next time.